On October 30, 2024, the Combat Logistics Battalion 8, CLB-8, part of the 2nd U.S. Marine Logistics Group, demonstrated the operational capabilities of the British-made Tactical Resupply Vehicle 150, TRV-150 cargo drone during the Bold Quest 24 exercise at Camp Lejeune, North Carolina. This multinational joint staff-sponsored exercise focused on enhancing interoperability across various military domains, including air, land, sea, space, and cyber. As part of the demonstration, the TRV-150 successfully delivered 38.5 kilograms of medical supplies, including real blood, showcasing its potential for logistics operations in contested environments. The TRV-150 is an electric vertical takeoff and landing, eVTOL cargo drone designed by Malloy Aeronautics, a British company known for its work on hoverbike concepts. The TRV-150 evolved from these early designs into a more practical unmanned cargo delivery system. The drone's ability to transport up to 68 kilograms of supplies over a range of 70 kilometers with a cruising speed of 108 kilometers per hour makes it a vital asset for military logistics. It has a flight time of 36 minutes and is equipped with waypoint navigation for autonomous mission planning, allowing it to operate in complex, high-risk environments without direct human intervention. The TRV-150 features 8 electric motors driving propellers and removable batteries for quick replacement, making it efficient and easy to maintain. Its modular components, such as foldable propeller booms and fixed skid landing gear, allow for compact storage and easy transport, ensuring that the drone can be deployed by a single individual in various conditions. Whether in rain, wind, desert, or Arctic environments, the TRV-150 is built to be resilient and operational in diverse weather conditions. It can deliver cargo by landing or through aerial drops, depending on the mission requirements. The success of the TRV-150 during Bold Quest 24 highlights the growing trend of autonomous drones in military logistics. In April 2023, the U.S. Navy awarded a contract worth $8.4 million to Malloy Aeronautics and its American partner, Service Engineering, for 21 units of the TRV-150. This contract followed the drone's victory at the PMA-263 Tactical Resupply UAS Challenge in 2019, where the TRV-150 demonstrated its capability to operate in military resupply scenarios. The U.S. Marine Corps declared the TRV-150C variant as having Initial Operational Capability, IOC, in October 2023 at Marine Corps Base Hawaii. This milestone enabled the Marine Corps' 3rd Littoral Logistics Battalion, LLB-3, to begin training and equipping personnel to operate the drone. By 2028, the U.S. Marine Corps plans to deploy the TRV-150 across all logistics battalions, with each unit expected to receive 3 to 6 drones. This expansion highlights the growing recognition of the TRV-150 as a critical asset for future military operations. The TRV-150 is part of a broader shift towards using unmanned systems to improve battlefield logistics, especially in high-risk or contested areas. Traditional resupply methods, such as human-operated convoys, are vulnerable to enemy attacks, particularly in areas with limited access or ongoing conflicts. The use of autonomous drones, like the TRV-150, enables military forces to deliver critical supplies, such as food, ammunition, and medical materials, without putting personnel at unnecessary risk. One of the most significant applications of this technology is in medical resupply. In environments where wounded soldiers require immediate care, the ability to quickly deliver medical supplies like blood is critical. Drones like the TRV-150, and others such as the U.S. Army's FVR-90, can carry essential supplies directly to combat medics, reducing the time it takes to administer life-saving treatments. The success of drones in Project Convergence 22, where simulated blood packages were delivered in the Mojave Desert, demonstrated their effectiveness in mass casualty scenarios. This capability could significantly enhance survival rates in future combat operations by ensuring timely access to medical supplies, even in remote or dangerous areas. As military forces continue to explore the potential of autonomous systems, advancements in drone technology will further improve the effectiveness and reach of these platforms. The development of better battery technology will likely extend the range, payload capacity, and flight duration of drones like the TRV-150. Additionally, the potential for wireless in-flight recharging could eliminate concerns about power limitations, allowing drones to operate for even longer periods without the need for land-based refueling or recharging stations. The growing reliance on autonomous cargo drones such as the TRV-150 reflects a significant shift in military logistics, with drones providing greater flexibility, speed, and safety in delivering vital supplies to troops on the front lines. As the U.S. Marine Corps and other military branches continue to integrate these systems into their operations, they will likely play an increasingly important role in the future of combat resupply, medical logistics, and overall operational efficiency. The successful demonstration of the TRV-150 at Bold Quest 24 is just the beginning of what promises to be a transformative era for military logistics. With more autonomous systems on the horizon, the logistics of war will likely never be the same again.